So hello mga kachilax, to unboxing tayo ng Carper Ride. So ito mga kachilax ay parang head unit. Yan. So nakaka-excite because bago ito sa akin at ito ay pinapa-review sa atin. So yan ang itsura niya. So ang ganda ng monitor, no? Ayan, no, Carper Ride. So sabi sa akin ng mga tropa, magandang klase daw itong ang ganitong klaseng brand. So ito ay kung saan, no, branded. Ideally, this is for BMW big bikes. Pero sabi nung ni boss, pwede daw to kahit sa scooters, motorcycles, and even electric motorcycles as long as may handlebar. So ito yung mga cables niya. So very basic lang naman. Ito naman yung parang bracket na ikakabit sa handlebar. So parang ano lang siya, plug and play. And ito si Idol EXG Vlog, co-vlogger ko sa e-bikes. So siya yung pinakabit ko dahil talagang ano siya, mechanic technician siya talaga. Para at least sigurado. So yan, nakabit niya kaagad. Saglit lang, ayun, plug and play lang as you can see. Nagtap lang siya ng wires dyan. And yan ang itsura. So in my case, gumawa ako ng sarili kong toggle switch. Pang on and off. So ayoko dun kasi susuyan. Gusto ko may sariling switch. Itong Carper Ride. So yan ang itsura nyo. So swipe left and right. So para kang you have your own head unit, 'di ba? Simple lang pero ang ganda nito kasi 7 inches and ang itsura niya talagang napaka-premium. So tara, tingnan na natin kung paano gamitin. So as you can see dito, ito ni-screen recording ko na lang, i-bluetooth nyo muna, makikita nyo sa i-pair nyo muna yung Carper Ride. Ayun, pair new device, searching, ayun, nakita nyo yung Carper Ride na yan. Then pag nakita nyo na yan, i-pair nyo niya. So once naka-paired na siya through Bluetooth, pwede nyo nang gamitin ng Carper Ride. So ito siya, kitang-kita nyo naman talagang sa looks pa lang niya, winner na. There, it has a premium feel, very solid, just like my bracket here. Nice brand. So it's a very nice product, very strong and made of high quality materials. So very easy to install, as you can see. Just have to put it here. I have a handlebar here, so I could install all of my devices. And it has a visor, protection from the heat and from the rain. So now let's talk about the connection, about the features. This Carper Ride, you can see a switch here. This is for my on and off. So I just told my technician to tap a wire going to my battery terminal. So I put a nylon tire here for added security. If you want to remove it, it's very easy. You just have to twist this to remove this one and unplug this one, so that if the place you're parking is not safe, you can do that. So I'll try to record the Bluetooth pair. This. So as you can see here, it can be a split screen. Here's the maps and here's your YouTube music, so you can listen to your favorite music. There's maps, there's games, there's your calendar, there's Messenger, there's Google News, phone, reminder, Waze, Viber, SMS, and settings. So it's just and customize YouTube music, WhatsApp, and weather. Very nice. In here, you can see your signal. Yan. There's no signal. And your battery percentage. It is this Google Voice Recorder. If you want to talk using voice command, very nice. And what I like about this is this one, the Google Maps actually. Very helpful. And that one, very helpful, very big screen. It makes your motoring experience very convenient. Have to press this one. So here you can see the mountings, the audio output, the Android Auto, iPlay for iPhone, for Android, the phone, Bluetooth music, and the settings. If you want to go back to the other menu, just click that and you're back. So this one, I think the default thing here is it goes back to the Google Maps. So it's very easy to use. So what are we waiting for? Let's go for a little ride. So, hello mga kachilak. So, ride naman tayo para matesting natin to. So, maganda dito, once na nakakonect ka na dati, automatically nagko-connect ka na. So, once you start the engine, but in this case, may sarili siyang toggle switch for this one. Switch for this Carper ride. So, automatic oh. So, sample lang tayo. So, for example, let's go to 7-Eleven Evangelista. 7-Eleven Evangelista. 7-Eleven near me. So yan. Tingin lang natin so we can use the Google Maps. So very helpful siya, di ba? Kita nyo naman yung yung Google Maps ng this Carper ride. Very helpful siya. Pero mo napakalaking screen, di ba? 7 inches. Maganda dito is you can enjoy listening to music kasi meron siyang split screen. And as you can see, very premium yung kanyang itsura. You can use Google Maps or Waze. Dito naman, by default, nag-o-open siya. Google Maps yung ang default niya. Yun yung maganda. What's nice about this Carper ride, you can play some music and you can browse anything that you want. Make sure na you tighten up all the bolts, diba? Para safe yung safe yung paghigpit ng device. So ikot-ikot na lang tayo dito. This device, kung katulad nga, nag-stop over ako, so I could check my messenger, diba? Yan, no new messages. Then I can go back to the main screen. Then meron siyang games, so I can play games. Yan, para iwas inip, diba? Ang galing. Or I can check the Google. Ayan, meron siya pagpipilian, politics, science, health, national. So I don't need to put out my cell phone. So from this device, from this Carper ride, I can browse the topics that I want to read. So pansin ko, wala lang siyang video. So more of reading. So phone, reminder. Yan. This is connected to my cell phone. So, yun. Tingnan natin what's in the reminder. So, on the right side, you can check the time. It's 11:19. Then the battery level. Then my network is 5G. See? Very nice, diba? So, yun. Then audio output, I can check it. Ayan o. So this device is very easy to use and swiping is smooth. Even though this car per ride model is ideal for BMW big bikes, it can also be used with scooters such as this, the Honda Beat. My Honda Beat is a 2020 model or 2019 model. Handlebar, I was able to put the bracket here. See? Then I can browse it without putting my cell phone out or using my cell phone. So it's safer to have this one instead of my cell phone to be here. Big screen, clear image, the buttons already here, diba? Unlike when you use your cell phone, you have to scroll up and choose your icons or choose your apps that you want to use. Not like this one. It's very easy, very friendly for bikers. See? All you need to know is reachable. But make sure you are parked in a safe place before using it. Okay? My Waze. Oh, see? Type this one. So we are already in Waze. See? So very nice, diba? So earlier we were using Google Maps. Now I'm trying to use the Waze. Okay? So let's go. So even in bumpy roads, my Waze is still working. Very nice, diba? So I can stroll around. Very helpful, very friendly car per ride. Another good device. So fun to use because of its big screen and clear image. Once you turn it on, it's automatic. Yeah? It's there.
Woo! Yeah, baby!
Love it. As long as you have Wi-Fi, there's no problem. As you know, sometimes here in the Philippines, our Wi-Fi is unstable. There's so much network. And in my cell phone, I'm using the GOMO. I think it's powered by Globe. And this device has a very premium look, premium quality. That's why it's ideal for BMW. Because you have a BMW, it means nice big bike. Of course, you don't want products to be used. You want only premium accessories, just like this one, the car per ride. So very stable and durable. loving it. Loving this accessory, this car per ride. So if you love this product, I'll put the link in my description box. Check it out. It will really make your ride so much fun, easier, and because it's a good product, you know it's durable and it's also stylish and elegant. No need to put your cell phone out, just use this. It's much easier and clearer. So till here, this is Well Esquila. Ride safe and God bless.